You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this Belgian jazz guitarist and composer, singer. Let's break down the pronunciation. So there's going to be different pronunciations depending on the language you want to use. He was from Belgium, from the French-speaking part of Belgium, so he would have spoken French. So he would have said his name in French as Django Reinhardt. Now, if you want to hear how it's pronounced in Dutch, for the Dutch-speaking part of Belgium, Django Reinhardt. So it's quite similar. Reinhardt is how it's said in Dutch, and now in English he is generally referred to as Django Reinhardt. Okay, but you could say it as Reinhardt. That works as well. Django Reinhardt in French. Reinhardt. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.